Okay, go to your CM there. This is the funny part of our lesson today. Okay, can we have your GitHub? Open it. Yeah, you have your GitHub on. Yeah, very good. Please go to your repository again. Yeah, Python coding, and click on it. Yes, here are just 4 files. Okay. The funny part of lesson today is now that we are going to push your new code after committing it into your GitHub, so I can or any other developer can use your new code. Okay, now minimize it, please. Okay, now git status. Yes, status. Yeah. Yeah, it shows you that a python.py file has been created and it is red. It means you have to first add it to your GitHub folder and then also commit it. Git add space dot. Space dot. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now, please git status again. The status shows all the status, current status of your GitHub. Now it is turns to green. Now it is under control of GitHub, so you can commit. Git space. No, do not cheat. I want you to write it and be familiar to write code with Git. Git commit space -m, which means the message would be -m, not a /m. Yeah, and space. -m means I want to write a message. A message should be in the quotation. Shift and quotation. Double quotation. Write your message. Created which add a number to your input. A space. Which add number to an input. Yes. Hit enter. Yeah, it might that the problem was because single quotation and double quotation. Very good. Now this is your new commit. Can you see it? On April 11, 1932. It's exactly right now. Your new commit has been created. Git push space origin. Yeah. Enter. Create a new repository which right side up on your profile. Yes. Your repository can one. new, the green button. Please, repository name, for example, Ryan practice. Dash practice.
Dash چی؟
Practice. Yes. Now scroll down. Everything very good. And or push an existing repository from the command line. Yes. Please select the first line, git remote at origin. No. Yes. Yeah, Control C. Control C, very good. Go to CMD. Control V. Yeah, very good. And now, please go to GitHub again. Git branch and make git push. The second. You have the second
M's
one.
capital.
Just copy. Let's test. This is not comment, by the way. This is another thing. Go to CM there. Control V, yes. Very good. To do the final line, Control C the final line and go to GitHub. Yeah, git push. This is the most important line. Yes, I think it might work perfectly. Very good, very good. Okay, go to GitHub. Branch main setup to track origin main. Very good. Now refresh this page. This is your Ryan practice. Yeah, very good. Yeah, we have all the code that you had on your folder here. Did you see how you could push your folder here? Very good. Click on Python py on the left. Yeah. This is it. This is your today code. Okay. Ryan has created it. Okay. This is my GitHub. Ryan coding. This is main page of Ryan. Ryan has been activated today also. Very good. You get another green square here. You got it. And 2 repository. This is what you have done here. If I click here, this repository has been created like this. So which repository, for example, this repository. Now I want to have your code in my system. this is from this green button. I copy your address here. Okay. Okay. So because I copied it, my system also CMDR has it in its memory, and it goes to the Ryan practice folder automatically. Okay. Now again, because I use my Control C, I have to copy this again. Now clone, git clone, very important. Git clone and Control V, your address. This is it, just it. Git clone. I will clone your code here and done. I can see your file here with ls, which is Ryan practice. Go to it with cd Ryan tab practice. Now ls. I have all your file here. Okay.